Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Ethernet doesn't have a valid IP configuration in Windows 11. First method is type ncpa.cpl in Windows search bar, click ncpa.cpl. Right-click adapter, click Properties. Right-click adapter, click Properties. Check use the following DNS server addresses. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1. Second method is type Control Panel in Windows search bar, click Control Panel. Click Internet Options. Click Connections, click LAN Settings. Uncheck Proxy Server. Third method is click Start, Settings, click Network and Internet. Click Advanced Network Settings. Click Network Reset. Click Reset Now, click Yes. Fourth method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as Administrator. Type netsh space, int space, ip space, reset. Type netsh space, winsock space, reset. Type ipconfig space, /flush DNS. Type ipconfig space, /release. Type ipconfig space, /renew. Exit and restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.